Spheres of the environment. There are 4 major spheres of the environment. They are lithosphere, hydrosphere, atmosphere, biosphere. Lithosphere. The solid crust of the earth is called lithosphere. The average thickness is about 100 kilometers. Importance of lithosphere. It provides mankind land to settle. It provides soil for plants and for cultivation. It is rich in resources of mineral wealth. Various landforms are of various uses, depending upon the economic factor of human needs. Hydrosphere. It is the water sphere consisting of all water bodies, oceans, seas, lakes, etc. on the Earth's surface. About 71% of the Earth's surface is covered by water. Importance of hydrosphere. Water bodies help in marine activities. They provide us enough food. Without water, human beings, plants and animals cannot survive. Water cools the atmosphere and also the main source of rain on Earth. In the seabed, deposits of mineral oil and gas are found. That is very important for human beings. Atmosphere. It is the layer of air which surrounds the Earth. Importance of atmosphere. If there is no atmosphere, the extreme temperature between day and night would have been much greater. It also controls the extreme of the seasons. The atmosphere provides a setting in which all forms of life are created and sustained. Its layer, called ozone, keeps the sun's harmful radiation away from the earth and also allows only a part of the sun's heat to reach the earth, thus preventing it from getting too hot. Biosphere. The narrow zone of the contact between atmosphere, lithosphere and hydrosphere is known as biosphere. Importance of biosphere. This is the zone where plants, animals and microorganisms are found. The plants and animals living on land are found in the zone of contact between the lithosphere and hydrosphere. The zone of contact between land and sea is full of organisms living above and in the shallow sea water near the sphere. The type of plants and animals found in a particular region are related to the prevailing physical environment known as habitat. All organisms living in a particular habitat depend on one another. Thus, all organisms in the biosphere not only interact with the physical environment but also with one another. A study of the interrelationship of the organism among themselves with the physical environment is called ecology. All the components of biosphere derive energy from the sun. The sun is the primary source of energy. The energy is also transferred from one source to another. Wood, coal, petroleum, running water, etc. are the secondary sources of energy. In the biosphere, there are 2 major components, that is, the producers and consumers. All the organisms which are capable of producing their food directly from the abiotic environment are called producers or autotrophs. The organisms unable to produce their food directly from the solar energy are called consumers or heterotrophs. Such organisms depend upon other plants and animals for their food. Almost all the animals are heterotrophs. The consumers or heterotrophs are of 2 categories, that is, herbivores, carnivores. The herbivores are the plant eater like cow, goat, ox, etc., while the carnivores are the flesh eaters like tiger, lion, etc. Still, there may be a 3rd category of omnivores, which are both plant as well as meat eaters. Another category of decomposers or detritus feeders are those animals who feed on the dead bodies of animals and plants.